good to go?
Go.
What you do is you put a little bit
No,
of
no,
blood
no,
in.
gracias.
That's yours. So everything I do, you're going to do. Okay, little bit. Not too much. Put this in until the ice is covered. Okay. So. And then chop up. That'll do, because you're going to run out of space. Alright? Then with some, what's it called? Malibu? Yeah. Went out of my mind for a second. Yeah. And then you fill up the rest with pineapple juice. Okay? Obviously, if it's in a bigger glass, then we would, fill up the whole thing, but rather than your glass. Put all of the mixture in. This is how you don't get it where you've got waste. Okay, because sometimes then you'll have loads left over or too little or whatever. Right. Where's my lid then? Right. Have I switched mine up somewhere? Yeah. Alright, so then what you do, you shake it. I haven't got a lid at the moment for this, but it doesn't matter because we're only practicing. Right. Right. Shake it all up. We wouldn't do it with my hands usually. Right. And then get the lid off. It should be alright. It should be okay. And then you have a Pina Colada. Alright. And then what you would do, you garnish with a cherry on the top usually. And take a straw. Yeah. Isn't it? Nice Sunday evening practice. Actually, that's alright, that one. It's the right size, perfect. And then we'd get the little decorations that we had.
Oh,
yeah. Some of these. Yeah. Well done, babe. I wonder how they taste. There you go. A couple of these.
I think
Yeah, put one in too. Yeah.
You should try.
I think that should be fine. Here you go,
Oh,
guys.
muy bien.
Give it a go. Isn't it a quick one?
Thank you very much.
It work?